One of the most misunderstood coverages on a personal auto or business auto policy is one that people just shrug off. What is it? Let's talk about that. Hey, it's Ryan with Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, where we are on a mission to transform the way individuals, families, and small business owners secure financial stability. Today's video, I want to talk about something that's really misunderstood and unfortunately ignored with a lot of insurance buyers, and that is on a personal auto policy in most cases, but also a commercial auto policy. That's the uninsured motorist and underinsured motorist. What happens if you get in a car accident and the other vehicle is at fault, and instead of stopping to make sure that you're okay, they just drive off? They're gone. Well, hopefully you've got physical damage coverage on your vehicle that's either comprehensive or collision coverage. We won't go into that right now, but that's one thing that covers the vehicle. You may not have that coverage, but what about you? You got injured, you were hurt, you should expect that their insurance will cover your medical bills. If that driver doesn't have insurance, or they drive off and you don't get their insurance, or if they've got state minimum limits of $25,000, and you've got medical bills that are $75,000, then they are underinsured to deal with those costs. Again, if they drive off, then any medical expenses. Underinsured motorist coverage on your policy will cover your medical expenses in the event that an uninsured motorist injured you in that accident. So uninsured motorists can be huge, and it's so important, especially if you're driving around kids or other people. If there's other people in your vehicle, then really think about the responsibility that you have to make sure that they'll be okay if they're in your vehicle. It's so important. Uninsured motorist is the number one thing that I always try and talk clients into, not just liability only. Let's get you some protection for your medical expenses if the worst possible thing happens. So that's uninsured motorist, very important coverage. Again, be happy to talk more about that with you. Give us a call or visit us online, send us a message on Facebook or Instagram, and we'd be happy to have that discussion with you, see if your policy has that vital coverage. Thanks for watching. Hit like, leave us a comment, tell someone you know about our videos. We'd appreciate it. Thanks.